alaikum everyone. Dear friends, colleague and honorable guest, very happy Independence Day. A very warm welcome to all of you. Thanks for joining us. Today we gather to celebrate the spirit of freedom, a priceless gift won through the courage and sacrifices by our valiant heroes. We must remember these brave heroes in your heart who fought for Indians' freedom. Dear peoples, I want to remind you, freedom is not just a history, it is our responsibility. As a proud citizen, we must protect this legacy with wisdom, kindness, and progress. Our three colors fly high, always reminding us unity in diversity, peace in strength. We always stand together as an Indian. Rising above differences and embrace hope. I shall conclude this speech with a beautiful shairi which is written by me. ज़ख्म खाकर भी ए मुल्क हम तेरे ही वफादार रहेंगे. ज़ख्म खाकर भी ए मुल्क हम तेरे ही वफादार रहेंगे. इज्जत पे जो बात आए तेरी, इज्जत पे जो बात आए तेरी, दुश्मन को उसके घर शिकस्त दे आएंगे. ए तिरंगे तेरी शान के खातिर हम कुर्बान हो जाएंगे. Thanks a lot listening to me with patience and affections. Jai Hind.